안 보이고 오늘 잘게요.
Okay. Taste. There you are. Hi, Fu fam. Today I'm going to cook lifelong tteokbokki, which is national snack for Korean. First of all, I'm going to show you what do you need for ingredients. Yeah. These are the ingredients you need. Basically, if you have all of this, it's no problem to cook. Now the time is 3:26 afternoon. So let's see how long it takes. First of all, let me explain what you need. Yes, you need tteokbokki, and this is gonna be a flour cake. We have rice cake and flour cake, but we're gonna use flour cake. And then you're gonna need this fish cake. And let me show you. It's better to prepare all the ingredients so that later on you can cook quickly. The shape should be triangle shape. Looks nice and tastes good. So you need onion. Oopsie. Try to make long. Okay. Okay. I used the frozen green onion. You can also use the fresh one, no problem. These are the about 550 grams of what you need is making seasoning. If you only remember this, like red chili flakes and sugar 4, and of course soybean sauce and red chili paste. And there are many ingredients and seasoning, but these are the best. Oyster sauce, natural seasoning. And we're gonna use some kind of bean oil, just oil, ordinary oil, so that make sure the sauce getting a little bit thicker. And you're gonna use the pepper as well, and salt a little bit, and crushed garlic. Okay, if you remember this you need four spoons. And this soy sauce, red chili paste, and oyster sauce. These 2 spoons. And you're gonna use the 1/2, one spoon. Okay, let's make it 4 spoon. 2. Depends on what you like. You can reduce the amount of ingredients. Two. Two spoon. And 1 spoon. Oops, 1 spoon. One spoon of oil and 20 times pepper. Well, 13, 14, 20. And if you don't have this pepper, if you have a powder, you can use 1 spoon. Then mix nicely. This is a Celeb Lucian's recipe, and these ingredients, it has been studied for a long time, study and research long time. So you should appreciate his fine effort. Okay, ingredients are ready. Now it's time to actual cooking. You need to pour 600 ml of water. Put this. Then you have to wait to boil. And just remember the color of this tteokbokki. Now you have to remember a little bit kind of yellow, but it's gonna change the color. You can just wait. Okay, now fishy paste and green onion is nicely boiling. Nice fishy paste and green onion is nice boiling. Now you can put just a half a spoon, just a little of salt. Yeah, a little bit of salt. And depends on what you like, but if you put 1 spoon of sugar, they will make taste better. But if you don't like sugar too much, then you don't have to. I'm gonna put all of these now. You can close the lid and just wait until it boils. Now the time is at 3:44. Nicely cooking. It's time to put the seasonings. But just in case, just left 1 spoon, because if you think too spicy, then you don't have to put any more. But if you think you need more these seasonings, you can put later. Just set away. When you cook, you can make middle heat. Middle heat for another 4 minutes. So I'm going to start 4 minutes with the middle heat. And this time, 4 minutes cooking, you can open the lid. When you open the lid, it tastes to become market board taste, restaurant taste. While they are cooking, I'm gonna put some noodle as well. I'm gonna boil the noodle. I'm gonna put some noodle. Yes, I'm gonna put the noodle, just noodle. Check this out. Yes, 4 minutes over, and basically tteokbokki is ready. All you have to do is just waiting for noodle is boiling. Then we're gonna mix noodle in here and eat together. Honey, try to come eat this. If you need more ingredients, I can put, because I left 1 spoon. Here. You think we need to put more ingredients? It's okay?
I know.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
맛있어.
Delicious?
Yeah.
Very good.
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Clean up a little bit, meanwhile. You see, in the market, they cooking like this for many hours. And if you feel like you need put more water because this sauce is too kind of thick, then you can just add more water. And if you feel like you need more salt or ingredients, seasoning, then you can put leftover. Yes. Thus boiling nice. Yes. Okay, you can mix nicely with the noodle. There you are. Mix ramen noodle with tteokbokki nicely. Okay. Taste. There you are. The fish cake. Okay. What do you say? It's okay? Okay. Wife happy. Mission success. And let me show you the time now. Time is 59. So it won't take even 1 hour. So I'll come back with another food next time. Ciao.